Today is the first day of snow, so I'm going to take you guys around the garden. Welcome to Chic Mamas. And if you, like me, love creating a beautiful life but knows how busy life can be, you're in the right place. This channel is about slowing down enough to enjoy what you're building, your home, your garden, sunshine or snow. Enjoy yourself. You take one step at a time, one intentional step at a time to cultivating the life that you love. Like I said, today is our first day of the snow season. We're gonna make the best out of it. We're gonna take a peaceful walk around the garden, organize our seeds, and start some indoor seeds. Nothing fancy. Just make the best use of today, the day it's giving us. And this is what Chic Mama's about. Finding the calm in the middle of responsibility, choosing progress over perfection, just letting growth happen even in the slow freezing season. So grab your coffee, stay for a while. Actually, it's almost mimosa time. I'm finishing my coffee and then share my little day with you. Sometimes the most beautiful moments happen when we stop rushing and just tend to what's right in front of us. So give me a minute, I'm gonna turn you guys around and we're gonna enjoy our snowy, icy walk without falling. I had to put my coffee away because it's like 8 degrees. And I couldn't find a place to sit down and enjoy the coffee, so might as well run inside to save from the warmth. Oh, I want to show you guys this. Before, look, my mom moved in her garlic. Let's go check it out. It is snowing and it's 8 degrees. So peaceful. If you listen quietly, you can almost hear the snow, the ice. It's kind of eerie. But look, the pool. I can't say that it's inviting. My fire pit. Oh, little birdie. Actually, we have a lot of visitors this morning for the birds. Look at the trellis. Okay, so there's a lot of snow. See that little birdie? Just cover my garden bed. Okay, can't even see my walkway. My garden path is no longer. So sweet. Oh, dang it. I forgot to clip down my bok choy bed and now they're frozen. Oh. Okay, so now the snow I think is coming down a little bit more. I can hear it hitting my my jacket. So, look at all that beautiful, soft, great snow to make a snowman. I might just take some pictures before I come in, but that's about it, guys. I am a little cold. Little footprints. I wonder who. My mom. Oh, yellow snow. Do not go near. Do not go near. He's going to pacify the other dog. Silly Axel. It is quite romantic, isn't it? I love seeing the footsteps. So I'm sure my mom been down the garden this morning. Even below 8 degrees. And my husband has been out with the dogs too. And Axel's adding more yellow snow to the ground. Why not? Okay, guys. I'm gonna go take some pictures, but then later on we'll be back and hopefully we get to place some seeds. Thanks for coming along with me and spending the day with me. It's gonna be a fun day with Chic Mama. So how do you guys organize your seeds? It's still so nice and cold and bright outside. But we're just going to take our time today and organize all our wonderful seed collections. I have a lot. But how I organize my seeds is into vegetable and flowers because I like both vegetable and flowers in my garden and I mix them together. And I divide the vegetables and the flowers with cool season and warm season. So this way, when I know the season has changed or it's time to, like right now in January, I want to sow a lot of cool flowers, cool vegetables. So that's what we will do. And then maybe in the March or April and May, whenever, because I do succession planting and sowing too. So this way it helps me quickly go to the seeds I want and just grab whatever seeds I want that's appropriate for the season. Because timing is very important when you sow your seeds, direct sow or indoor sowing. It's all about the timing. And it's quite important to read the labels. I usually throw my packages away because I try to remember the varieties, or if not, I take a picture of it and save it in my photo album or my archive in Notes, Microsoft Notes, or I can just Google it if I can't remember their germination date, time, or best best used if it's cool or a warm season, vegetables or flowers. So it's gonna take me hopefully less than an hour to organize all this because it kind of got rough this last season to kind of put everything together. I did save my seeds, but going forward, I think I'm not gonna save my seeds anymore because it's just so much work. And sometimes I mislabel the seeds. Sometimes the wind get the best of me and just kind of blow all the seeds together. And then when they grow up, it's not what I expected, and I get all sad when it's all mixed up. So this one, for example, says tatsoi. I can't remember if it's really tatsoi or bok choy. But I went ahead and labeled it. So it's a 50-50 chance that I may have gotten this seed wrong. So I think going forward, since the seeds are pretty cheap, especially when I get it at the dollar store or on Amazon, I may not save seeds anymore because it's just so time consuming and it just makes the garden look messy when I'm trying to let it bolt out and save the seeds or such. It's just too much work for this busy mama. So after I organize my seeds, I'll set some seeds out that we will indoor sow or winter sow this weekend. So we're gonna start the winter sowing process. We got everything set up. Let me show you. Got my seeds all organized. I think these is I hope to be able to do all these tonight, and most of these we need co-stratification, so now is the perfect time to do it. Actually, I should have started it about 30 days ago, but we got busy. I'm using an acetone and alcohol gallon bottles from the salon. I clean it and sanitize it real well. Use a solder gun to puncture holes in the bottom for drainage, as well as on the top so that rainwater can fall through and moisturize the soil. I also put holes on both sides so I can easily cut them all the way around the bottle, leaving maybe 2 inches to make hinges for easy opening. Labeling is very important too, so take your time to label each seed. For each seed, I will put to have 2 labels, one inside the jug and one outside the jug. So this way I know exactly which seed, which plant it is when I check on them in the spring. I'm using heavy-duty scissors to cut along the side of the gallon where I had already marked earlier 2 points. I cut them around, leaving maybe 2 or 3 inches or so to create a hinge, allowing us to easily open and close the jug. I filled in the container about 3 inches of soil. And then we sprinkle some seeds on it and put some more soil. We'll be good to go. I'm gonna do my favorite Veronica, and they need cold stratification. I got 2 labels. I'm gonna put one outside and one inside the jug, but I have very little seeds, so I have to be very careful and use them sparingly. They're so tiny. Just gonna press them in. And then the soil we have here is like it's like making a cake. You want to have enough moisture to just, because you're going to leave it unwatered for the whole season while they germinate, and count on the water from the precipitation of snow and rain to keep your seeds nice and moist. So I do keep my soil pretty moist. The texture that you guys saw earlier. Oh, check out this beautiful sunset. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and please, if you like the video, like and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Hopefully we'll make it a regular visit. Have a great day.